Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on this video. I'm going to be demonstrating how to create looks inspired by the runway using the L'Oreal Steampod 3.0, and this is the Karl Lagerfeld limited edition version, so let's get going. Fill the water tank with demineralized, filtered or bottled water with the applicator bottle provided. Once on, the small light on the Steampod body indicates that the Steampod is active. Choose the temperature according to your hair type. For this look, I'm going to be transforming my model Cher's long straight hair into soft Hollywood waves. I recommend thoroughly brushing your hair all the way through first and combing each section through as you're going along to remove any tangles or knots. I prefer to remove the detachable comb on the Steampod to create this style, but it is optional. Section your hair off, and ideally you should start in the nape of the neck. Place each section of hair in the middle of the plaits in between the two arrows on the body. Your sections shouldn't be too wide or too thick, and make sure that the arrows are pointing downwards while styling. This technique is a little more complicated, so I'll talk you through it slowly. Take your section, and as you run the Steampod down the hair, rotate it around 180 degrees. Slowly keep sliding down the hair and then undo the rotation. Now rotate the Steampod in the opposite direction and allow the Steampod body to become vertical in the hair. Again, keep sliding the Steampod down the hair, then undo the rotation. Now rotate the Steampod in the opposite direction again, making it horizontal. Continue this technique through your section until you reach the ends of the hair. I'm just going to take you through the technique once again. Take your section, and as you run the Steampod down the hair, rotate it around 180 degrees. Slowly keep sliding down the hair section, then undo the rotation, and now rotate the Steampod in the opposite direction, making the body of the Steampod become vertical in the hair. Again, keep sliding the Steampod down the hair, then undo the rotation. Now rotate the Steampod in the opposite direction again, making it horizontal. The Steampod version 3.0 is great for creating versatile looks including waves, curls and straightening. The steam creates moisture in your hair unlike regular straightening irons, leaving it feeling soft, conditioned and shiny. So continue to work your way up the back of the head to the crown, then work on the sides and the top section. Now I've finished all the hair, give it a light brush through with a flat bristle brush, then tip your head upside down and give a generous spraying of texture spray. This will help give the style a more contemporary and less retro feel. Once you've mastered this technique, you can style this hair in a few ways. Here I'm styling Cher's hair with a centre parting, so it has a sort of modern 70s feel. And there it is, from long straight hair to shiny glossy Hollywood waves. Gorgeous! Thanks for watching, and remember to press that little subscribe button if you want to see more of my gorgeous hair tutorials.